This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Almost like a Friday, last trading day of the week. I hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Morning, Mr. G. Good seeing ya. And Dragon. Elite is okay. I don't trust. You're gonna get paid, so that's the main thing that matters. But they just do some shady stuff, which is why I don't promote them. But I mean, overall, I haven't really heard of people not getting paid or anything like that. So they're okay in that way. I just think there's better ones out there. Looks like the markets have been choppy. Low ES overnight 53.01. High looks like 53.08. Wow, yeah, really choppy. Only 7 points of range. And Q 459 for the low, 514 for the high. Wow, yeah, very choppy. It's 41, 50, 50, only 55 points in range. Copper overnight, about 100 ticks of range. Gold doing really well, very high. Not sure what its all-time high is. It might be getting close. I have to look. About 26 points in range. Ultra bond pretty stagnant, about half a point in range. Crude oil rising up big time. About a point in range, and natural gas rising up. BTC hanging above 70,000. Dragon, it's 11 with Bulenox, but the way it works is you can activate 3, and then those 3 need to get you need to get the balance above the initial balance. So your drawdown needs to come even with your initial balance. So if it's a 50K account, you need to get up to 5,300. I'm sorry, 50K, 53,000. So 3,000 in profit, and then you can activate another one, and then keep doing that until you have 11. So they don't allow you to have all 11 at once. You got to kind of add one at a time as you go after the first 3. Let me know if I explained that in a way that made sense, because if not, I can try to explain it better. Hey, Nico, how you doing? Well, it's 3. You can start off with 3, and then it's add one at a time and get that one above the where the drawdown stops trailing. Then you can add another one and another one until you're up to 11. Yeah. You're very welcome, Dragon. Let me know if you have any other questions. So news this morning. We have lots of news today. Coming up at 8:30, so about 25 minutes, U.S. initial jobless claims, Canadian GDP, and U.S. GDP quarter-over-quarter final. Well, so U.S. PCE prices final. At 9:45, U.S. Chicago PMI. And at 10 o'clock, University of Michigan sentiment final. 10:30, we have natural gas inventories, and at 11 o'clock, Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index. So you've seen choppy overnight. We'll have to see whether or not the news saves us from having an absolutely choppy last day before the holiday weekend. It's a holiday weekend. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sorry. No, market's open normal hours Monday. It's just tomorrow that it's closed. Hey JC, how you doing today? Nope, not even they're not even open this evening, Nico. They're totally closed from when the market closes tonight at uh 5 Eastern. They do not reopen for Asia tonight. They're totally closed. I'm doing pretty good, JC. Pulling back here a little bit. A little bit. I will occasionally take a trade on gold. Not often, but sometimes. But I have it up here in this little window here, and I watch it. It's nice rising up. Is that what you like to trade, Dragon? Gold? Awesome. How's he doing? I miss him being here with us on the streams. Looks like we're trying to push down a little bit here. Got up to 506, back down to 499. Not a huge move. Was that our high day? No. High day was 514. Try to trade gold, huh? Are you newer to trading, Dragon, or have you been trading for a while? Or oh, all right. Have you traded anything in the past, or are you brand new? We have lots of good traders in the room. So if you ever have any questions, feel free to ask. We'll be happy to help along the way. Yep, it is the last day of everything. Week, month, quarter. There's a nice push down. Good morning, G-Man. Our Discord, MightyOxTrading Discord, recently went over 500 members. To celebrate that, we're giving away a Blusky Static Growth Plus account. If you're not a member of the Discord, you should be. Here's the Discord link. Join and get in on that giveaway. The winner will be drawn next week. CS. Right now I'm using, if I use a trade copier, if I'm on TradeDay, I'm using TradeDay's copier. And if not, I've also been playing with Quant Tower's copier. So, JC, is that those numbers telling you anything? Have you learned anything from the numbers, or is you saying you haven't crunched them yet? You're gonna crunch them after today. A CBR? No, nope. Just one stage to pass. It's just like most others. You have the eval, then you have the funded live sim, and then the brokerage. But the funded live sim money goes into your brokerage account when once you get through the funded live sim. So it's usually, I think it's like 3,000 that you can make on the funded live sim, and that money gets put into the brokerage account. Blue candle. 15 minutes until. Why can't I find my? Oh, there it is. I had it on the wrong monitor. Awesome. That's good knowledge right there. So blue candle, luckily it did not trick me. Purple candle right back down. Or still, we need more range. We're too tight here. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you today? So those that missed it, Apex extended their 80% sale till April 2nd. Unfortunately, it's not. It's first month only. They do have an 83% that is recurring, but the 90% isn't. Blue candle bounce. You're welcome. We're long off that blue candle. I'm a little late. I'm the opposite of G-Man. He's always early. I'm always late. Awesome. It looks like I'm going to get stopped out on this. Maybe not. Maybe so. So you got to put the bot on an eval? Stopped out. So, yeah. Probably wait till after the first news before I take another trade. This is just choppy. I'm just kind of hanging here right below 18,500. Well, good luck with that, JC. Ultramod Bond just made a new move down there for a new low a day. Crude new high day. Oops. Just trying to entice me with the blue candle here. That went away. AQ struggling to get back to 500 and above. And by struggling, I mean popping through it. Anyone else excited about the start of the MLB season today? Met fan? Pulls back. I'm a Phillies fan. We're rained out today, so my opening day is until tomorrow. Pulls back here. We need some more volatility. Yep. Choppiness. Choppy, choppy. So while we're chopping, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy today's stream, Oh, goring that like button for me. Let you two know that you like it. You really, really like it. Sitting right on 18.5. ES at 53.07. Dow's at 41.54. Wow, quick dip. 99 down to 95. "90 seconds to our plethora of news. Plethora. No. CVR. It's an evaluation. Hope I didn't. Do I have it worded like it's right to blue live? Let me look. I guess I should edit that to say eval. Thank you for pointing that out, CVR. Ready for the news. Start spreading the news. Down, up, down. It's undecided what it wants to do. Still can't break through 500. Boom, now it does, up to 505. That count as a dip, strip, and rip there, G-Man. Up to 11. There we go. There's a boom. Now we're rising up. Purple candle back down. Big candle too. Oh, look at that. Retreats there. It ended up coming down. Yeah, I was gonna fade this move. I should have, but this wick here kind of ended up making me hesitate. Look at that move, giving it all back. So is this a rip, strip, and dip, G-Man? Down to the 100 EMA? Bounces on the 100 EMA. Gold's down. Crude's still heading up. Dow's kind of heading up. Kind of undecided. 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 So let's look at the numbers quick. Jobless claims came in at 210K. They expected 212K. So that's a little bit more of a positive number. US GDP 3.4, expected 3.2. So that's a good number as well. Don't apologize for having trades. Nice. Morning, Chris. How are you today? Doing good, thank you. Purple candle. Oh, big purple. Pops back up. G-Man, thank you for staying in your shorts. No nudity allowed here at MightyOxTrading. This is going to chase me back up, unfortunately, looks like. That was a really iffy purple candle. You have that. Stopped out. Hey, John. Good morning and happy opening day. First was back down, so it came up, stopped me out, came back down. And how did it do? So I was in at 92. It's gotten down to 83, but it stopped me out first. So ouch. I don't know, John. I think it's time to fire it. News gave us some volatility there, gave us a nice move down. Just trying to pop back up now. Running into those EMAs. And we're choppy here, right under 500 again. Anyone else take advantage of the news or after the news and took a trade there? Besides G-Man? Excellent, John. If you want to add Apex accounts, this 80% sale runs now till the 2nd. Then I expect it to go back down to 71%. No, you can have more than 3, John. I believe the limit on TradeDay isn't on accounts, it's on contracts. So you can copy trade up to 100 contracts. Hey, Crypticon, how are you? So John, like if you had 10 accounts, then you couldn't trade more than 10 contracts per account. Awesome, John. Thank you. Yeah, Apex was looking to get that expanded when they first added TradeDay, but I never heard anything more about it. So apparently TradeDay told them no. There's that push down that G-Man just said. Q down to 485. ES sitting at 5304. Down to 79. And there's a bounce. And it said, nope, we're not going to continue that bounce. ES sitting right above 5304. And Q at 483. And I'm going to take another stop. Wow, not been working this morning yet. Should have taken this week off. Oh, there we go. I almost gave up on that trade. Come on, come on, come on. Come back up. Back to my entry. Wow. Bounces off my entry down to stop me out. Okay. Trying again. Getting beaten down again. All right, CVR, have a good one. If I don't see you, have a great holiday. Blue Sky's 50% off everything besides their Static Growth Plus account. And you can get the eval fee refunded if you can get through the live sim and make it to the brokerage. Okay, so right now it's 50% off. So let's say you pay 99 bucks. I don't know. I'm making up a number there. Let's say 99 bucks. You pass your eval, then you get put in Blue Live, which is the live sim. You you make the money in live sim enough to get promoted to the actual live brokerage account. The $99 you pay for the eval will be refunded to you. Basically, it can be a free eval if you make it through the live sim portion of the funded account, because you can get it refunded to you. It doesn't. I don't believe so. It doesn't say that on the graphic for it. Ooh, there's a nice pop. We're also having a giveaway of the Static Growth Plus account on the Discord crypt. Slow and steady, Crypticon. Slow and steady. Wow. Come on, give me 5 points here. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a video done this weekend trying to lure some forex traders in. Yeah, that too, Crypt. Uh, Next news is until after the bell. Let me finish this trade, crypto, and I'll tell you. There we go. Target hit. 5 points. Finally a win. $9:45 U.S. Chicago PMI at 10 o'clock. University of Michigan sentiment final. So that's 9 o'clock your time, crypt, and at 8:45 your time. The University of Michigan sentiment's the big one. Yeah, and yeah, no problem. So back up to 494. So I got in at 85, out at 90. Got up to 95. Trying to pop back up above this 100 EMA. No, can't get through that 100 EMA. It's kind of hanging there. ES back up to 5306. Dow at 4172. A little bit of a push down. Yep. Bounce. Blue candle. Trying again. It wants to take out that EMA. Can it do it? These are the questions we ask. It's trying. It's trying. It's trying. Hanging at 493. See, can it get up to back up to 500? That's the question. Boom. Got it to 99 quarter. There's 500. I took this on Topstep X, by the way, and I just got out. It was let's see. It only ended up being a 4-point trade. I thought it was better than that. Really? Yeah, I guess it was a 4-point trade. Fool's back now. So nice win there. I don't know. Since I've already taken a couple of losses on Blue Sky, I didn't take it on Blue Sky, but that's okay. Fool's back right from 500, just perfectly off 500. Blue candle trying to pop back up. Kind of an iffy spot though. I don't like when they float. But that floater is working. So up, push down, back up. And got up to 506. Top of the hour there. 30 minutes till the bell. A should be rolling in soon. Well, that was weird. For a second there, the chat told me I wasn't subscribed. Kind of hard not to subscribe to my own channel. Little glitch there on YouTube, I guess. Everybody else okay? Okay, good. Okay. Maybe I was worried I was getting hacked or something, which would have sucked. Pulling back down, so I got up to 507, pulls back down to 500. Still not moving with much velocity here. We'll definitely have to put this in our memory banks for next year, that the week of Easter was very low volume. Put in Easter, all capital letters, Crypt. Yeah, it's one of their built-in indicators, John. Just average true range right there. Let me know if that worked, Crypticon. No, that's right, Crypt. That's 50. The regular price on the 100K is 290. So 50% of that's 145. Sideways. Nope, it's the same. Been in the same on my sheet for a while now. The 50K is only the 50K is only 94.50, and that static growth. The original static growth is 99.50. Pulls back down just a tad, but we've lost some oomph again. Remember, it's my job to track this stuff, Crypt, and I know when prices change. I actually check the prices on a regular basis. I'm not sure how that happened, Crypt. Purple candle. Well, it's been the same on my sheets now. That 290's been the same on my sheets, and since I started the discount, the indexes. So it's been 290 for at least 3 months. So I've been doing these sheets for 3 months. I didn't trust that purple candle. Obviously, you see it's working. It didn't go 5, so. I saw that there was a player that was being investigated. I haven't seen if that's gone bigger. Another purple candle. Do I want to take it? That's a good question. Isn't it a good question? Yeah, this whole betting thing. I, I saw this coming when they started allowing all these sponsorships from every different betting place in the world. At this point they need to allow Pete Rose back in the game because holding him out at this point just seems totally hypocritical. Back up. Ooh, I hit the button early. Oops. Well, see what happens here. I misread the clock. Yeah, it's gonna bite me. Maybe. Stop that. I think he's a little old to play. He's like 80. Honestly, I doubt at 80 he's going to want to coach, but it'd be nice if he could at least be up for Hall of Fame consideration. I don't think he'll get in anymore. I think the voters will be too biased against him. And honestly, Rose isn't a great human being. Yeah, he should be in the Hall of Fame. Thing about it, John, that I've always said about that, if they had found out about his betting on baseball after he had been inducted, he would not have been removed from the Hall of Fame. So, based on that, in my opinion, he should be in. Hanging around just under 500 here, just choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Yeah, absolutely. I'm gonna start. I want to do some work on the Discord over the weekend and try and get some more people active. I still want to get the whole winners and losers thing going, like we've talked about, JC. It just haven't gotten there yet. Hey, Rod, how you doing? I haven't seen you in a few days. How you been, my friend? Nice little 5 point pop there. Hey, Ace. That's a good point, JC. I still like to see people explain their trades every now and then, though. The channel in the Discord where people are talking about both their, wins, their wins and losses. Where uh, we're both Justin and Robin admitted to blowing funded accounts yesterday. I've always wanted Mighty Ox Trading to be a realistic view of trading, where it shows both the good days and the bad days. Whereas many channels, many discords are only ever showing you know the good days, the green days. So I want people to be showing both to show the realism of trading. Yeah, John, and I wonder. They say they're going to be back in 21 days, and I wonder if they're going to come back with futures, especially since they posted as the future of the funded traders in 21 days. But I don't know. Less than 15 minutes to the bell. Slowly grinding up. We're almost at our overnight high. Or no, actually, we blew through that overnight high on the news. I forgot about that. Previous overnight high was 514. 527 is the actual high. All right, Ace. And John, I paid to promote today's discount snapshot on YouTube. It hasn't started promoting yet, but we'll see how that goes. Okay. You switched to Ultra Bond there, JC? Didn't you say YM earlier? I'm here looking at YM. What's he talking about 14? And then I realized that you must be talking about Ultra Bond. And Q's still dripping down. Purple candle. Ooh, there's a little burst. That purple candle ended up more wick than body. There's JC's 14 on the Ultra Bond. Yeah, John, I'm gonna do some rummaging around on Twitter for posts about the funded trader, and maybe stealthily advertise futures and coming over to the futures world there. Uprofit, if anyone's interested in Uprofit, they're now 60% off. I'll have to update the sheets after stream. Yeah, I uh, probably should promote that a little better. You're right, John. I mean, when I came up with this crazy idea, I wasn't sure it would work. Pops back up a little and right back down. We are 7-ish minutes to the bell. So anyone that does follow the prop firm snapshot videos, even though there's no trading next 3 days, I will still be posting the videos each day. Um, Sunday is Easter, and normally I don't post the videos on Sundays anyway, but because it's the end of the month and we're gonna have those 90% sales and stuff ending, I will post one that day just as a reminder. All right, good luck, Ace. Good job on being green, JC. Bouncing on the 100 EMA. Ace, did you get out on that dip or are you still in? So it went against you there by a few ticks, a couple ticks. Cool. Good, good, good. ATR here at just 5 minutes to the bell, still just above 3. That's how choppy we are. Oh, good job taking that point, Ace. Look at that whip back down. It's going to be hard for you to decide who's allowed to have Easter dinner and who isn't. Get a little whip it. Whoa. Getting all wonky here, but within like a 5-point range. Let's get ready to rumble. We're hanging right around 500. Where are we going to go at the bell? Up, down, or just going to continue to go sideways and flatline? "15 seconds, people. 15 seconds." Pushing down here right before the bell. Whoosh. Ooh, whooshy whoosh. Whoosh is down to 87, so about 13 points down. Continuing. Nope, there it goes. Continuing. Think we're going to bounce here, though? Maybe not. Down about 20. ES back down to 5307. Continues down. Big fall. Continuing. Wow. Whooshy whoosh. Down 40 points here on NQ. Whooshy whoosh is a technical trading term. Not afraid of falling. Down to 463. Oh, there's a bounce. Where do I want to go from here? Did it find a bottom? Maybe, maybe, maybe. Trying to push up here. So slight grind up. I did take a 10-point trade on Topstep X. Ace, are you still in or out, or did you go leave for the bus? Thank you, Ace. Looks like I got out of a good place too. Oh, no, back up. Still trying. Oops. Forgot to change my ATR or my thing. Oops. Excuse me 1 second. Seems like it's trying here. Trying. What does it want to do here? Yeah. Back down. 483. Oh, 4 in long. Stop the bottom of that last red candle. Sniffing that EMA. Burst through. There we go. Target hit, 10 points. There we go. Now we're getting some movement. Now we're getting some momentum. Now we're getting some in the wing. No. All right. Good luck on the beans. Nice ace. Nice push up here. All right. And tell the bus driver I said hi. Thank you, JC. So we got two 10-point wins off of that move. One was on Topstep X off that first blue candle, and then I waited and got the second one here on the Blusky account. So dips down, pops back up off of that 20 EMA. Still slow. I mean, it's sped up a little bit, but goodness gosh. Give us some volatility, please. Or some volume, I guess. Volume would be better than just plain volatility. Still kind of grinding up here. 506. Gold, big fall there. As it could be expected, it was getting a little overextended, but wow. Since the top of the hour, it's fallen like 13 points, it looks like. Beans, let's see. He went long on beans. Ooh. Long on beans at 89. That's not looking good. Hope that bounces for you, JC. Looks like it's in a good bounce spot. How much more heat can you take? So it's kind of hanging here. It could not get above 509. 509. 509. Yes, I know it's 409, but hey. Ouch. Thank you. Popping up a little, or the blue candle. Oh, wow. Whoosh up. Real quick there. I didn't have my finger on the buy button. Oh, another blue candle trying here. Nice. 527s are high. Came on that news candle earlier. Oh, yeah, that's right. We just had a news. Oops, I forgot about that news. Remember Michigan sentiment final coming up in 15 minutes. John, I think you just need to continue insulting it. Every time you talk about it, how you're going to get rid of it and it sucks, it has a really good day. So it must be one of those things that like to be degraded. Oh, ouch. Hang in here. Sorry, JC. Ah, man, and look at that. Now it bounces. See, right there, that candle there, especially if it gets back to green, is where I would go long if I was trading it. Ouch. I'm sorry, JC. That really sucks. Hope it was one of the cheap evals. Agriculture is not having a good day. Okay, good. Good, good, good. That was a good risk for 17 bucks. All right. Nice call there, or nice trade there, G-Man. Let's put it that way. NQ's hourly chart looks ugly, but see, it's running into resistance at the same spot it ran in the last resistance on the last candle of the day from yesterday. 526. It's hit 527 and 526. And as G-Man said, yesterday's high day on ES, 53.13, and that's just about where we got to. We got a couple ticks higher. News coming up in 10. Start spreading the news. NQ is continuing to push higher, new high day. 529.75. Still kind of grinding. Pulls back. Just a tad. Gold still dropping. Tried to bounce there, but still dropping like it's hot. Crude's coming down too. ES hanging right around 53.12. News in 5 minutes. Dow's pushing down. NQ's hemming and hawing around 530. ES is back down to 53.11. There's another little push up. It's making new highs by like a point or two at a time. Pulls back a tad. It's not even, not 10 o'clock Eastern, and our ATR is already down to like 6. Well, 7. Between 6 and 7. It's like, that's like so slow. So slow. I mean, it's 16 on the 5-minute chart, so, I mean, but still. How's the trading going, Crypticon? You following your rules? Nice little drop here. Got up to 37. It's down to 17. So 20-point drop in like 3 minutes. What are you thanking me for? Nice. G-Man got his 5. News coming up in just a few seconds. 15 seconds. Whippy. Pops back up by 10. Wow, ES popped all the way back up to almost 14. All right. G-Man's going back to the well. AQ popping back up. Oh, ES really popping up back up to 53.14. And Q up to high day? Not quite. Not quite. Got within 3 ticks of the high that it made like 5 minutes ago. Maybe a double top here though. Ooh, yeah, maybe. Look at that rejection. We'll take that short. Yeah, it was probably a bad decision. Got right out. Re-looked at it and I watch it drop. Yep, there it goes. Dang it. We'll see what it does. Decided I didn't like where it was at. So we'll see. That may have been a good decision right there. Look at that. Hey, Topstep X really having performance issues the last few days. But I just got a win on Topstep X for 6 points. Should have taken that blue candle on the blue sky. Man, crap. Ooh, look at that rejection down. So we got up to 538.75, which was the high of the day, and now rejects down 20 points. Awesome, John. Have a great holiday weekend. We'll see you Monday. Great trading today. Short off that purple candle. Bouncing on that EMA. Ow, big bounce. See if we can get back down there and I'll take it there. There we go, target hit. That ended up being a 22 tick winner. 5.5 points. Still falling. Looks like it's trying to get down to 500. Oh, it did, and then bounced on 500. Actually, 501. There's 500. Struggling to break through 500. Gonna break on through to the other side. Bitcoin got back above 71,000, but pushing back now. Bottom there, maybe? No catching falling knives. ES hanging at 5309. Still dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. And there's G-Man's 5. He was a little early again, but withheld the heat. Got his 5. And he added. Nice job, Crypt. About 45 minutes to go on the stream. I think it's trying to pop back up here a little bit. Blue candle. I'm late. G-Man's early, I'm late. Let's put our target there. Not a real huge target. Looking just to get up to that EMA. Let's see if it gets it. We'll take small bites if it gives it to us. Or maybe it's just gonna stop me out. Yep, that's what it's gonna do. Okie dokie then. Now it's gonna try and pop back up. There we go. It's another blue candle. Do we try again? I don't know. Blue candle went away. Looks like it would have worked, but eh. So how's everyone else doing? We know G-Man's doing good. He's boomed a few times. We knew Ace did well, although he might have been kidnapped by the bus driver. Absolutely, JC. Have yourself a good weekend. We'll see you Monday. Pushing back up. Just trying to get back up to 500. Natural gas inventory is coming up in a few minutes. At top of the hour, Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Index. How about that? Tomorrow, the markets are closed and Powell's speaking tomorrow. So we won't even get that boost because markets are closed. Pushing down. Thought you said you were done, Crypt. Blue candle bounce here, possibly. Doing the blue candle bounce. Do the bounce. The blue candle bounce. I don't know. Yep, there's a nice little bounce there. Didn't give me a signal, but could have grabbed it. Nice move back up. Definitely rangy. It's a rangy mutt. Pulling back just a tad. Anyone have plans for their 3-day weekend? Crypticon, you got anything planned for the weekend? Cool little pullback. Let's see how far it comes back down. Cool. Doing an egg hunt. Good. And bouncing back up here, the blue candle. Went long on Topstep X. See if I can show that. Nope. Oops. There it goes. Yeah. There's my Topstep X trade. Yeah, it's coming back down at me. Wow, gave it all back. Flat there. So every time I show a trade, it like goes against me. And then it bounces. Pushes back down. Welcome back, CBR. And bounced. So I should have held through, but that's okay. Have you taken any trades this morning, CBR? Pulls back down. Nice. Looks like the Dow's still heading down. Crude is choppy. Gold's choppy. Everything's really choppy. Nice bounce again, though. Reminder, folks, if you've enjoyed the stream or you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream if you just got here, appreciate if you'll gore that like button. Let YouTube know that you liked it. Nice little move back up, back to 500. So you can see we keep getting glued to 500. Oh, boom, nice boom here. Back up to 508. Up to 510. Crypt. Okay, can I ask you a serious question, Crypt? You said about following your rules. Is one of your rules stopping when you say you're going to stop? I'm just asking the question because I'm concerned that you're falling into the same pattern and not being able to stop yourself. Matter of fact, what is the consistency rule on that account? How much can you make? I forget what the profit target is there. I mean, I could go look. That would require effort on my part. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, that's a great job, Crypt. I'm very happy for you. All right, makes sense. You're done trading, G-Man? Ready to enjoy your long weekend? It's got 7 points on Topstep. So the Topstep accounts today are up uh, up 313. So you should try that. You should order like 10 t-shirts and try and sell them at profit, Crypt. But seriously though, Crypt, have a great holiday weekend, my friend. Yeah, markets are closed tomorrow, Crypt. They're not even open tonight. So there we go. Little bounce here. Oh, no bounce. I was wrong about the bounce. Yep. Script, have a great one. I expect to see you here Monday morning. It did bounce, just went down further first. Pops back up. And we got like 17 minutes left on the stream. There's popping up. Pulls back just a tad. Kind of like the setup if this comes up to a blue candle. It is so far. We're getting kind of near that recent high. About 15. We're at 12, so we'll see. Long. Let's see what we get. Stop is exactly 5 points. See if we can get through 15. Oh, nope. Rejects. Got up to 1475. Let's see if we can try again. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on. Nope. Back down. Could not break through the resistance yet. It's going to try again. Nope. Rejects off the resistance again. And stop me. Bastards. What the heck? Oops. I just accidentally shut down TradeDay. Well, fine. Either way. bounces off that 100 EMA. It's hanging here at 505. Seems like it wants to push up, but yep, there it goes. So small burst. Slow. Another blue candle. Do we want to trust it? Nee. Guess not. Guess not. I guess we should have. Sub 4 points. Back down. So it went like 4 and rejects back down. Nice rejection down. Could we have gotten 5? Close. Can it break through the ZMA? Can it, can it, can it, can it, can it, can it? Struggling to find things to talk about now as we've kind of slowed down and everybody stopped talking. 7 minutes to go. It's a great question. Eurex is closed tomorrow. Looks like just about everything's closed. But what's interesting is, we're talking about our news, but if we look at financial juice, there's like a bunch of reports coming out for Europe overnight. French PPI, French CPI, Italian CPI, all coming out overnight when the markets are closed. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm looking at this financial juice. It says Australia holiday, New Zealand holiday, UK holiday, German holiday, US holiday, Canadian holiday. So it looks like just about everything's closed. So if you want to trade, you're gonna have to trade crypto. Crypto's open. Look at Bitcoin. Speaking of crypto, back above 17.4. Hey, Glasgow. That would be trade day and earn to trade. Let me look over my list quick, make sure I'm not forgetting one. Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader. They're the other one. It's those three. Yeah. Take Profit Trader and earn to trade is 50% off right now. And we're just bopping our heads on 500 here. All right. It's a good idea, Glasgow. Yeah, and if you use Discord, you should join the Discord. We have all that information there on the Discord with all the various deals that are going on at any given time. Having a decent day. G-Man's had a good day. He's boomed a few times. We're just about ready to wrap up the stream and get ready for our 3.5 day weekend. Yeah, that's a decent thought there, G-Man, with the way the last couple of days have been. So we have reached the top of the hour. I do want to thank everyone for being here today. I hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. Enjoy your 3 days. We'll be back here Monday, 8 a.m. Eastern Time for getting ready for another great week of trading. Have a great one, guys. We'll see you then. Bye. Enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also, want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.